If we take silver chloride solution, okay, so when light will fall on silver chloride solution, it is precipitated black. It is turning black. So that it is giving idea about the light is there. Okay. Generally it is used in photographic plate, the negative of the camera film. Yes. Now we'll take what happened. The silver chloride solution, everywhere it will be black. But when we are taking this one below, what happened? The violet. Then what happened? Then also it is turning black. It means what? There is some radiation which is turning black the silver chloride solution. Yes. So that we can say this region is known as ultraviolet region. This region is known as ultraviolet region. Ultraviolet region. There are so many other radiations are there, above infrared also and below ultraviolet also. There are so many radiations. But dispersion in this case, it is starting from the first surface. It is taking place in the first surface. Here refraction is taking place from rarer to denser, it is moving. Okay, due to what happened? Different wavelength, speeds are different, so that they are They will deviate differently. It means deviation of violet is more than deviation of red. Speed of violet is less than speed of red inside the medium, other than air or vacuum. Okay. Refractive index of violet is more than refractive index for red. As we know, more refractive index, more deviation. The refractive index of violet is more, so that what happens? It will deviate more than red. So these are the conditions. Now, next we'll see the visible spectrum as well as invisible spectrum. We have done already infrared, above red, ultraviolet, below violet. It means the wavelength of ultraviolet is less than violet. Wavelength of infrared is more than what? Simple red color. Okay. So, as we know, these all colors or radiations are electromagnetic wave. Okay, they can move in vacuum as well as transparent medium. But when they will move in transparent medium, their speed will change. Due to change of speed, they will deviate, that is refraction. Yes, now we'll discuss about the electromagnetic spectrum. In electromagnetic spectrum, the visible also there, visible color also there, and invisible radiations are also there. So we'll mark only VIBGYOR as visible. Both sides of the visible, it is invisible. It means what? As I told you, the wavelength of visible color is varying from 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. Simply this is violet, this is red, this is the range. So below violet, less than wavelength of violet, that is 4000, we cannot see. Okay, and above 8000, that is above red wavelength, we also cannot see. Our eye will not, what happened? Retina will not show. Now, so therefore, this range is visible. Below violet, this is, I told you, that is ultraviolet region. Above red, this is infrared region. Okay, there are other radiations are there, X-rays, gamma rays, okay, microwave, radio wave, they are having different wavelengths, but their speed in vacuum or air is same, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But when it is going inside, other than air or vacuum, that is other medium, that is optical medium, so their speed will change, so that they will deviate. Now we'll talk about electromagnetic spectrum. Now this is only a spectrum, that is visible spectrum, VIBGYOR, but total spectrum, that is visible and invisible, okay, is known as electromagnetic spectrum. So here we'll do electromagnetic spectrum. According to wavelength or according to what? Frequency also. Is it? Now, as we know, that is 1 angstrom is equal to, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstrom, and 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 10, 10 to the power 10 angstrom. Yes, so therefore what happened? (4,000 angstrom is equal to then 4,000 angstrom is equal to, I'm writing other way here also. So 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 1 nanometer. Okay. So therefore 4,000 angstrom can be written as what? 4,000 into 10 to the power minus 1, that means 400 nanometer in your book. It is written as, range is also written in nanometer. 8,000 angstrom will be equal to what? 800 nanometer. In this way also written. Is it? So this region I am taking, this is visible one. And this one measured in what? Nanometer, wavelength. Wavelength is measured in nanometer. Wavelength measured in nanometer. Okay, if it is what? 100 nanometer, it means 1000 angstrom. So this one I am taken what? Visible region. This is visible. This one visible region. So visible region means this will be 400 angstrom. 400 nanometer. This one will be 800 nanometer. Okay. Now less than 400. Less than 400 is ultraviolet region. Ultraviolet. Okay. It is from 100 angstrom or 10 nanometer to 400. It is varying from 10 to 400 nanometer. Then after that, X-rays. X-rays are varying from what happened? 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 nanometer. Okay. Then we are having gamma rays. Yes, this is gamma rays. Gamma rays, it is what? Below 10 to the power minus 2 nanometer. Now, this side, above 800 nanometer. As I told you, this is infrared region. Infrared region is 800 to 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 nanometer. 10 to the power 6 nanometer. Then more than infrared wavelength is, what is? Microwave. That is microwave. It is varying from 10 to the power 6 to 10 to the power 10 nanometer. Wavelength is up to this. And above 10 to the power 10 nanometer, it is radio wave. Radio waves. Is it? So this is increasing order of what? The wavelength. So minimum, in this case what happened? The minimum